Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Klaviyo SMS setup for e-commerce customer engagement. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. First, navigate to the Klaviyo website and log into your account. Once logged in, go to the SMS tab located on the left sidebar. Click on the Get Started button to begin the setup process. You will see an overview of SMS features. Review this information if you're new to SMS marketing. Next, you'll need to choose your desired phone number for SMS campaigns. You can select a number from Klaviyo's available options for your account. After selecting a number, Klaviyo will prompt you to verify it. Enter your phone number and follow the instructions to complete the verification. Next, you'll need to set up SMS settings for your account. Go to the Settings tab within the SMS section. Here, you can customize your sender profile and messages. Make sure to enter your business name and other required details. Once completed, navigate to the Compliance section. Familiarize yourself with SMS compliance requirements to ensure you're following legal guidelines. You'll need to enroll in Klaviyo's compliance program if applicable. Now, let's create your first SMS flow. Click on Flows in the left sidebar, then choose Create Flow. Select the SMS option to create a new SMS flow. Choose a pre-designed template or start from scratch. If starting from scratch, drag and drop the SMS steps you want to include in your flow. Customize messages to reflect your brand's voice and engage your customers. Next, preview your flow to ensure everything is set up correctly. Once happy with your flow, click on Activate Flow to enable it. You can test your SMS flow by sending a test message to your phone. Monitor the performance through the Analytics dashboard. This will help you track engagement and adjust your strategy as necessary. You're now ready to use Klaviyo SMS for effective customer engagement in your e-commerce business. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.